Hey, I'm your host Jeremy. This is Lingo. Yes, in this lesson, we're going to learn I don't care in Chinese. In today's lesson, we're going to teach you two ways of saying I don't care. The first is very traditional way, second is very trendy way. So let me teach you a traditional and mediocre way to say I don't care. I don't care, that is 我不在乎. 我不在乎. So, for example, your friends, say, hey, your colleague or your competitor just get a award or get raised in salary. You say to them, I don't care. 我不在乎. 我不在乎. Very traditional, very mediocre, and 中规中矩的说法. 中规中矩的说法. Alright, now I'm gonna teach you some really trendy way. So, for example, your father, your mother say, hey, check your classmates. He just got perfect score in TOEFL, and you have like a 70 something, or you just passed examination, or you just got a C or D, right? You said to your parents, a very trendy way, 无所谓, 无所谓. It's more like whatever. And there is a more trendy way of saying this, among young people, younger generation, that is 开心就好, 开心就好. What is 开心就好? 开心 is happy, right? 就好 is fine. It means it's kind of sarcastic expression, very ironic. For example, your classmate, right? Your classmate say, hey, Jeremy, I don't want to go to school today. Can you, what should I do? Like, I feel bad, but I just cannot get up. I still want to sleep a bit more. And you want to say to them, I don't care, right? It's your choice, but just be more polite and more cool, more posh. You say to them, 开心就好, 开心就好. As long as you're happy, I don't really care. So 开心就好. For another example, your friends, right, your colleague, say, hey, Jeremy, I want to take a long vacation. I want to take a long leave note. But I know, the work is pretty busy. I don't know, like I'm so frustrated. I don't know, choose this way or that way. Or some girls, or boys, and I don't know to choose this girl, this boy, this girl, this boy. Have so confused. But you don't really care, right? But you also want to show kind of polite attitude. You say to them, 开心就好, 开心就好. It's like the connotation is like, I don't care. It's your choice. I don't really care. So next time, if you want to say I don't care, mediocre way or traditional way, you say 我不在乎, 我不在乎. If you want to be trendy or posh, you can say 无所谓. Or more trendy, like trendier way, you can say 开心就好, 开心就好. I've been teaching you Chinese for many years for free, right? And so I just want to ask you guys one simple question. Do you think I'm handsome, Jeremy? Just leave your comment below, and I really want to see your answer. I'm your host Jeremy, and this is Lingo Yes. If you like our program, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and Google Lingo Yes, and I will see you in the next episode. Bye-bye.